Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Race, and in this video tutorial series you are learning the admin section of WordPress. So there are a few other things also remaining in WordPress uh, which are important, so I would like to point out here and show that how that works. So the other things important which is remaining here is editor. Okay, so editor is really very helpful when you don't have FTP access and you want to change make changes in the file. For example, all the themes files you can find here. All these theme files you can edit from the admin section. So these are the list of the files which are displaying here. For example, I want to change the footer section. So what I'll do, go to footer.php. Somewhere must be here. Yeah, it's footer. Just click here and then just I'm writing simple things here. Say h1, simply h2, and then h2. So I'm writing here, this is just a message. Now click on update. Once updated, now you can click on refresh the page and you can see this, the updated page. So it's possible to update all the theme files from inside admin without using FTP. But remember, once it's done, once you have committed the changes, it cannot be you know reverted back. So it is strongly recommended that if you want to make any changes from admin section, from this editor section, then make sure that you just copy any page and just paste some here for backup and then make changes, so that if you make any changes you can revert back, just you can copy back the the page just you have pasted somewhere, so that there will be less chance of your stopping your website. Okay, so and another thing which I'd like to point out here is in inside setting there is permalink. Permalink is one of the very important section in WordPress, which makes the WordPress really very high level of SEO friendly website. So if you have seen here, we had added few pages in few post here. So in this post, for example, let's open this page and you will see here it is year and then date, month, and then article. We don't want to display like that. There are different format here. Go to settings and permalink and then finally click on post name, so it will just display the post name and not all the details of that page. So now if you just open this page without that thing, then still it will work uh, perfectly. So it is it is more readable, human readable, and it is shorter URL as compared to the previous one. Okay, so from permalink you can change the link structure which is SEO friendly. Okay, and one more thing I'd like to show here is writing. So inside writing, from writing, you can change the default category. Okay, so current default category is news. If you want to change the default category to something else, then you can change the default category. So what is default category actually? If you forget, if you don't assign your post to any category, then automatically it will go to default categories. For example, I'm just creating a new page, new post, say this is general news. Okay, now I'm not assigning it to any categories, or just I'm publishing, but you will see that it automatically get assigned to news category. Why? Because it's default category. So if you want to ever change the default category, Then you can change from settings and then writing, going to writing, and then just you can change from here. And one more thing, you can control your comment sections from here. If you want to disable the comments, then you can just put a tick out here. That means the user won't be able to uh, comment your post. Okay, so there are different things which you can control from this discussion sections. So that's it, guys. Hope you like this video and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and subscribe the video. Thank you. Bye bye.